Here are all the pieces that we're going to need for the 4 V-groove bearing installation. We have the right bracket assembly with the stepper motor mounted. We're going to need some of these V-groove bearings. We're going to need some of these hex nuts. We'll need some M5x30 bolts, and we'll need these little nylon spacers. These are the M5 7mm spacers. And of course we'll need our Allen wrench for that. This is the bigger Allen wrench. So let's grab 4 of these bolts out of here. Here's our first step. Get these little bags open. I really should just cut them open with a knife. Alright, we need 4 of those. And we'll need 4 spacers. Run away! Come back here. Come back here, you. And we need 8 of these hex nuts. There's 2, 3, 4. 8. And we only need 4 of these V-groove bearings right now. There we go. Oh, got it. Come on, 4. I need 4 of you guys. There we go. Okay. So these are going to come through from the back side. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we have our little nylon spacers go on here. Yeah, and then okay, now we don't want to get these too tight, but I do want them a little bit tighter, so I'm going to tighten them just a little bit. With the Allen wrench. Alright. Now, pop the bearings on. Boom, 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 boom. And then hex nuts go on. Right, these guys torque down here with my finger torque wrench. Make sure these bearings still move. They move. They don't spin freely though, but they do move. So I'm betting that this will be riding on this guy. What do you think? Maybe? Well, not on this one. Okay. Alright, so now we have the V-groove bearings installed. What's next?